Okay, guys, we're going to take a look at lesson 7 here, fraction operations, dividing fractions in real life. It's only 4 questions, and I'm going to go through the first 2 kind of systematically, and then the last 2, I'm just going to kind of get right to the chase here. But a 15-pound bag of sugar is being split into containers that hold 7/8 of a pound. How many containers of sugar will the 15-pound bag create? All right, so what do I know? I know I have 15 pounds of sugar, and I'm just going to abbreviate that. All right, and the containers hold 7/8 of a pound. All right, what do I need to know? All right, how many containers? How many containers? All right, containers. Sorry. All right. Do I need, right? So my plan of work is essentially I'm going to take this 15 and I'm going to divide it by 7/8. 15 over 1 times 8 over 7, right? And 7 times 1 is 7. And 15 times 8, that's 40, carry the 4. That'd be 120 over 7. And then if we chop that down, right? 7 goes into 12 one time. That's 5. 7 sevens are 49, and that's 1, right? So that 1 is my numerator, and my denominator won't change. So I need 17 in the 7th containers. Okay. All right, so Leo is building a model. He has a board that measures 9/10 of a yard. If he cuts it into 15 equal parts, all right, then how many will he need? All right, so he wants 15 parts, right? This is what I know, all right, and he's going to cut them into 9/10 of a yard. Okay, so he wants to know how. What I need to know is how long will each piece be? How long will each piece be? So my plan here for number 2. So I had, each of them are 9/10, and I want to divide that by 15, right? I want to cut that 9/10 of a yard into 15 equal parts. So I take that 15 over 1, 9/10, change the sign to 1/15, right? We could factor out a 3. 3 times 1 is 3, and 10 times 5 is 50. And each would be 3/50ths of a yard, right, long. Okay. All right, let's flip over to the next page here and make sure we're in good shape there. Hopefully you could see that last one. But anyway, let's take a look at the top there and read it. Amanda uses 1/3 of a cup of milk each time she makes a batch of pancakes. 1/3 of a cup, right? How many batches can she make if she only has 11/12 of a cup of milk left? So I know it takes 1/3 of a cup per batch. I know I have 11/12, all right, total milk. What do I need to know? How many batches of pancakes can Amanda make, right? How many? And I'm just going to write that. How many? So my plan of work is if I have 11/12 total, and I divide that by 1/3 of a cup, right? So it's 11/12 times 3 over 1. Factor that out. I end up with 11/4, right? And if I chop that down, all right, I'm going to get what? 4 2s are 8, and that's 3. So 2 3/4, right, is what we're looking at. So I can get 2 3/4 batches. Okay, and we're going to take a look at the last one, which is right there. And hopefully you saw that last one, but number 4. All right, here we go. So number 4 reads, Mrs. Mitchell, all right, teaches a ceramics class. She finds that she has 7/8 of a pound of clay for a project. The project requires 1/6 of a pound. How many projects can Mrs. Mitchell complete without running out of clay? Without running. So what do I know? I know I have 7/8 of a pound of clay, right? I also know that it's a sixth, all right, for one project, right? I need to know how many projects. So how many? Okay, so let's slide down. Let me make sure you can see it. All right, let's slide down here to the work. So if I have 7/8 of a pound and I want to divide that up by a 6, how many of these can I get in there? So 7/8 times 6/1. Okay, and I'm going to factor out a 2. 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 1 is 4. And then I'm just going to chop it down. 5 times is 20. 5 1/4. 5 1/4 what? 5 1/4 projects. So real quick, all we did essentially was did some word problems together, and that was good. You know what? Hope it helps. Thanks, guys.